My name is Kanchan. I am from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on importance of life. What is life? Life is a struggle, and life is a very beautiful gift given by God to us. If we get happiness and we also get sorrow, but we should never think negative about the sorrow. No, we should always keep positive thinking in our life. Life is a challenge which give us their own difficulties to fight. We should do good work and help others. We should never hurt anyone in our life. Life is like a car without driver. If you don't have any ambition, your life has no any meaning. That's why, first of all, we must keep ambition and we should do good work. And the hood of man, fortune is in his hand. Home is dark without mother. Home is dark without mother. Life is dark without father. I conclude my